Yes! Hey guys, that's Nathan and I am back for another Ultimate Showdown, and this time it is between 3 hairsprays. We have the Schwarzkopf 3D Mention Hold, Texture and Match Spray. We have the Bedhead by TIGI Hard Head, and we have Da Dudes Da Hairspray. Are you 3 ready to go up against each other in the ultimate showdown of some hairsprays? So for the first round, let's talk packaging. We have the 3 Dimension Spray, and this is one of those compressed cans, so they're easy to carry around, but you get the same amount as you do in one of the big cans. It's bright green, it's striking, and it looks like a fire extinguisher sort of thing, or maybe like a pepper spray, so I can spray it in your face. I mean, it catches your eye, but it does look like a brand that you just find in a supermarket. Then we have the Bedhead Spray. Very sleek, very nice, looks like a salon style product. It looks good, it looks like a hairspray can. Then we have the Hairspray. When this arrived, I was like, it's in a box? I mean, I thought it was some sort of whiskey or something, some high quality whiskey. I was so like, this is amazing! Here is the Hairspray, and I love it. It's got this really nice like bumpy texture all over it, and this striking white and black tin, which I love. It just looks very high class and very modern. I think I speak for all of us as we can safely say the winner of this round is the Hairspray. It comes in a box. A hairspray in a box. And the tin itself is incredible. It just looks so sleek and stylish, and I just love the texture on it. Incredible. Round number 2, scent. We'll start with the 3 Dimension one. It smells like man. It smells like a Lynx aftershave, or is it Axe in another country? Is that what they're called? But that really cheap smelling aftershave, that is what this smells of. Not the biggest fan. I'm going to spray this one into the lid. This is the Bedhead one. Let's see what this smells like. It smells fruity. I quite like that. It's very subtle, quite fruity, smells like a salon. Kind of like that actually, that's nice. The Hairspray. I love the lid. It just, everything about this looks so nice. Oh, I like that. It smells like a salon. It's got like an underlying coconutty scent, I think. Only very subtle, but it's there, and that smells good. I like that. So if I was to rank these in order, this one is my number 1. This smells incredible. This is very clean smelling, and this smells cheap. The Hairspray is the winner of round 2. Round number 3 is style and texture. So in this round, I'm going to use these products on my hair, just blow dry. There's nothing else in my hair, and see how they feel and how they style with ease. First up we have 3 Dimension. This one to me, it says it's a hard spray, but it's not. It's really doesn't last long at all. It kind of just falls out. And also, when I went through the day with this, I found white flakes in my hair. You know how you used to get when you were younger with the cheap gels? I found like white clumps in my hair. It looked like I had nits. It was not a nice thing at all. So I really don't recommend this one. So with Bedhead, the hold was there, it styled great, the texture was okay. It was kind of sticky though, that was my only issue. It was kind of sticky, but it did last all day, was a good product. With the Hairspray, it dried instantly, it gave you the texture, it gave you the volume, it gave you everything you needed. That hold was incredible, and if it's not strong enough, you can layer it up again, and it's not gonna make it look like it's been layered. It's just a fantastic product for that. So definitely the winner of round 3 as well is the Hairspray. This is becoming a clean sweep, guys. Round number 4 is the Washout. Now I've said in my other videos, I hate it when you get to the end of the day and you want to wash your hair out and the product just doesn't come out with ease. It is an absolute pain. Well, I'm going to run through which ones were the best and which ones were the worst for washing out. Starting with 3 Dimension. This washed out pretty easy because it didn't actually feel like it was in your hair anyway. So the washout on Bedhead. Now this, because it had that sticky texture to it, it actually took a few scrubs to get out. It kind of made the hair feel a bit sticky, which wasn't great, but it did wash out with ease. I mean, hairspray is not going to be that difficult to wash out anyway, but you did feel that slight tackiness in your hair for a while. The Hairspray. Now this was just a godsend. This, you you got in the shower and all you had to do was kind of scrub it a little bit and it come out. It lasts against all weathers, so you can kind of expect it to be kind of resilient to water, because when you go outside and it's raining, it's got to protect against some form of humidity and dampness. It was so easy to get out though. I was so impressed. I was thinking, because it is kind of waterproof, is it going to be a pain to get out? But it wasn't. You literally just scrubbed it a little bit, out it came, total win. So I guess you could say 3 Dimension won the washout because it was so easy, but the product doesn't feel like it's in your hair anyway, so there's no point. So in other words, these two came in a tie for me. Round number 5 is price. So the 3 Dimension comes in at $8.99 for this. I was so shocked, $8.99. So yeah, really think about it when you go to the high streets to buy some things, because if that's $8.99, you can find better. Bedhead Hardhead is currently $6.99 on Amazon, which I think is a fantastic price for this product. Bedhead is a well-known brand and it's what they use in salons, so this is a really good product at a fantastic price. The Hairspray is currently £12.91 on Amazon, and you can understand why the price is a little bit higher than the other two. You get more in this one. The quality is far more superior than the other ones, like far superior. You get it in a box. I mean, what the heck? But the product itself is incredible. I mean, the fact that you can layer your hairspray and not allow it to go gunky and horrible in your hair is a massive win. Like, you see people that overspray hairspray and it becomes wet. This doesn't do that. It's incredible. So you can understand the £12.91 price tag. I think it's safe to say the Hairspray has won the price war as well, because although it's a little bit more expensive, you get more, it's better quality, it's a win. So overall guys, I think it is very safe to say that the Hairspray has won this ultimate showdown. The product itself is absolutely incredible. I am over the moon with this, and I will preach this hairspray to anyone possible because it really is incredible. I have used a lot of hairsprays in my time. I've always had sort of spiky hair, so hairsprays have been the thing for me, and this has blown all the others out of the water. I mean, yes, this is a very good second option if you really couldn't get this one. So what more could you want? I mean, it's a great styling product. It protects against all the weathers. The quality is there, the texture, the hold, the finish is there. You know that if you go outside and it's rainy or windy, this is going to protect against that and keep your style in place all day. It is definitely worth that £12.91 price tag. Now we get to the exciting part. The lovely people over at Dude have given me 3 codes to give you guys so that you can get this product for free. In order for you to get it for free, all you have to do is give this video a thumbs up, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and in the comments below, hashtag Nathan give me da hairspray. You can hashtag it on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, wherever you want to do it. I will find it, and as long as you're subscribed and you've liked the video, then you could be in for a chance to get one of the codes to get this plus free delivery. Absolutely free. What more could you want? So that is all you have to do to get this bad boy in a box free. I mean, no brainer really, no brainer. This product is incredible. I'm so thankful for Dude for doing this for me. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope you've learned some stuff about hairspray and how I style my hair and which styling product you should go for and what you should look out for. This is definitely an ultimate winner for me. I can't enough. It's incredible. Their whole range is so good, and Angelica Young, you're amazing. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys have enjoyed it. Make sure you leave your hashtags everywhere and spread the word so that you could be in for a chance for getting one of these bad boys for free. I'll see you guys in my next video. Are you watching? I hope so. I can't get enough of this scent. I'm gonna be high if I keep sniffing hairspray.